A tree treats fever, amenorrhea, leprosy, and tuberculosis. What a fantastic tree it is, introducing Bulon Platymetra arborea of the family Anunaceae. The genus Platymetra comes from two Greek words, platy meaning broad or wide, and mitra meaning cup, referring to the dome-shaped inner petals. The species name Arborea is a Latin word for tree, referring to the species growth habit. Bolon is an endemic tree from the ilang-ilang family. It is a large, slow-growing tree that prefers partial shading during development. Its wood is suitable for general construction and is used to make bowling pins and baseball bats. The fruit is edible and has medicinal value in treating fever, amenorrhea, leprosy, and tuberculosis. Bark decoction is used for diabetes, and if mixed with dried garlic leaves, it can treat urticaria. Fruit decoction is an anti-dysentery. Bulon is a remarkable species that plays a multifaceted role in the ecosystem. This tree is essential for environmental health, from its soil stabilizing roots to its role as a wildlife habitat. By supporting soil quality, preventing erosion, and contributing to biodiversity, Bulon exemplifies the importance of conserving native flora. As an ecological asset, Bolon underscores the need for conservation efforts that protect such species and ecosystems they sustain. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.